Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sell Bitcoin on Binance. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and go to Binance.com. Sign into your Binance account. After that, click on Buy Crypto option. Now, make sure that you are on Buy and Sell tab here. On the left hand side of your screen, you can see Buy and Sell option. Click on Sell button. Select the Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell or the amount of the receiving currency you want. You need to verify for this transaction. After the verification is complete, you can review and confirm the conversion. After completing the transaction, you can find the Bitcoin on your wallet. Selling Bitcoin on Binance is easy and each method gives you flexibility based on your trading style and payment preference. So that is how you can sell Bitcoin in Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.